can't believe it, no I can't believe it, no I can't believe it's Milk Moon.
Hello and welcome to Moo's Makes. I want to make one of these, but mine's not going to be one of these. I'm going to try and CNC it. So I wanted some inspiration, see what other people did, how big they were. Height 60, width 25. How big's this? 50 centimeters. I think it's got some widths on here. That's 20 centimeters wide. So that we can do, right? That we can do. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start off with some parameters as per normal.
A few moments later.
That'll be after the CNC, where we can do all these holes. We're going to end up with that. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Cool. Let's go. Let's do it. First, we set it up on my CNC. Calibrate my tools. Set my material up. Go. Cut them out. While that's machining, let's make some dowels. Just want to say I'm using my fingers on the chisel here as a stop so I don't slice my other hand open. Sand. Sand. And then done. They look alright. Let me know what you think in the comments. This item is also available on Etsy. See you next time.